Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this edition of today's newspaper of Monday, January the 18th, 2021. Yes, it's a blue Monday today. Yes, and the second Sudoku, 2 out of 4 I will make. A total of 8 Sudokus, but the second Sudoku will be number 2183. Alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one, let me count. We have here 4, 5, plus 3 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 4 is 14, plus 3 is 17, plus 3 is 20, plus 3 is equal to 23, plus 2 is equal to 25 again. Yes, the publisher has published again 25 printed digits. All right, so let's get started. A lot of fours. Let me start with no, not the 4. A lot of 9s. Let me use the 9 first. 9 in the first column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, or there. We see here 9, we see there 9, so no 9 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this column, 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So in the row between the second row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. Only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 1, number 9. All right. 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in the last row. So in the row between, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, one of the missing number is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes, therefore no 4 in that box. So the 4 could be here or could be there. So we have a 4 in the first row, 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the second row. So in the third row, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 4 should be here. And I've marked those 2 boxes with a I have marked these 2 boxes with a dot for the number 4, digit 4. Well, we have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2, number 4. All right. Yes. A 3 is missing in this big square. We have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. Here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the middle a row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in this column, last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. 3 in the last row, 3 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in the first row, 3 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 place for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see. Yes, digit number 3. Number 3. Alright. How about the number 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number in this big square is the number 8. We see there an 8. No 8 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 8. Should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. Then 2 missing numbers in no, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 8. Yes, in this big square we have 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We see here an 8, no 8 in these 2 boxes. There an 8, no 8 in that box. So the 8 could be here or could be there. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And then I cannot continue with the 8. How about these 2 numbers in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6? We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 6 goes and there. And then three missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2, no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2. Should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. 6 and 7. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 6 goes there. 1 number left in this third column for the number 6. 1 number left in the second column for the number 5, I believe. Yes, 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 2. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 7 goes there. Alright. 7 and 1. Well. These 2 boxes are reserved for the numbers 8 and 6. 8 and 6. Let me mark those 2 numbers, 8 and 6. 8 and 6. How about yes, 5 missing numbers in this big square. No. These 3 numbers in this row are reserved for the number 6, 8, and 5. 6, 8, and 5. 6, 8, and 5. 6, 8, and 5. That means the other 2, 6, 8, and 5, should be the 1 and the 7. 1 and the 7. 1 and the 7. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 7. Yeah. Alright. 2. Yes, 2 missing numbers in the middle a row. Those missing numbers are the 2 and the 1. 2 and the 1. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 1 goes there. 2. Yes. 2. 4, 5, 5. Yes. We have here 2 missing numbers. A pair, here also a pair. The 2 and the 7 in this row, so no 2 and a 7 in those 2 boxes. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark those 2 boxes. So the other pair should be the 8 and the 5. 8 and a 5. We have an 8 there, no 8 there. 8 should be here and a 5 goes there. One number left in this row for the number 8. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 6. I cannot fill this yet. 1 and 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 numbers left in the last column. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and the 7. 5 and the 7. I cannot fill this yet. 5 and the 7. Wow, 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 wow. 1, 1. Aha. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. Here also a 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. That means 1 and a 7 as a pair. This should be a 7. 1 box left in the last row for the number 7. These 3 numbers should be the 1, the 6 and the 5. 165, 165. And look, we have a 1 here. So no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. The 6 and the 5 are left. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 number left in the last column for the number 7. 2 boxes left, 2 and a 7. We have a 7 here, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 2. 2 in this row, 2 in the third row. So no row between the second row. The only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Then 2 numbers left in this big square. The 6 and the 5. 6 and the 5. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row. The first row, the 1 and the 5. 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Now we have a 1 here, so this is gonna be 1 and more. This should be the 1, and this should be a 6. 1 number left in the middle column for the number 8, I believe. Yes, 8 is missing. Now we have an 8 there, so this can be 8 anymore. This should be the 8, and this should be the 6. So 1 box left in this big square for the number 7. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 6. 5 and 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 30 minutes. All right. A little bit slower than the previous Sudoku, but I've managed to solve it within 30 minutes. A really 4-star Sudoku. I need 30 minutes or more, but in 30 minutes, I'm very pleased with the time. And I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel in the future. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. See you later with the last 2 Sudokus. A binary one and a tectonic one remains for later. Yes, see you later. Bye bye for now.